So always parang pag nagtanim ka ng palay ngayon, nakasugal yan parade. It is always risk, then you should have always alternative. Para kang nagninegosyo, or you cannot put the egg in one basket. So dapat meron kang alternative. Yun yung unang ginawa namin. So now, hindi kami worry kung mabahaan man yung aming, which is prone ang Caraga region for the typhoon, because we have tilapia. We have the piggery. So we have the chicken. And we have also the vegetable. So marami na siyang alternative. So very relaxed na lang ang mga farmer na hindi dependent into one. I am Toots Montero Campomanes, the General Manager of Magruyong Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative of San Miguel, Province of Surigao del Sur, Caraga Region. Our cooperative has been established since 1996, but I only joined this cooperative last September of 2021 during the lockdown. Mapamuko, Magruyong Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative is our all rice farmer. In Magruyong, existing of our member is about 100, as of today, it's 180 hectares under our cooperative members. But it is under also the part of the 9,000 hectares of rice land in San Miguel. When I came in here, nung nagpunta ako dito during lockdown, nakita ko yung mga farmers na nagtipon-tipon sa isang wetting shed lang. And it happens to be na naandun din ako, naka-standby lang. So I was listening to them. They were discussing programs from the DAR muna yun na programa. And they are complying the requirements so that they can get a parang, we call it ayuda. So nagsabi ako na I can help you how to rebuild your cooperative. That was September 18 of 2021. That time, ang asset lang ng co-op was around 250,000. Yun lang yung asset nila. Mayroon silang yung kuliglig lang yung gamit nila. November, may bagyo, binaha yung San Miguel. So, wipe out lahat halos yung kanilang mga pananim. And wala silang alternative. Naisip ko lang na why not give them alternative na hindi dapat maging dependent just sa palay lang. Kaya pag wala ang palay, wala na. So, ang first project namin, sabi ko, gawa tayo ng project na pwedeng maging alternative. Sa may Nia Water, merong kanal dyan, katabilan din ng palayan. So I think of it na, why not put a tilapia fish pond? There was a program pala from Saad na namimigay naman pala ng fingerlings and feeds. So doon nag-start na mayroon na kaming alternative na tilapia. Nakita ko rin yung mga gulay dito, some are coming from other regions. And yet this is an agricultural land. So I seek help from the DA, nanghingi ako ng seeds ng vegetable. Nabigyan naman ako ng organic focal person in DA region. So nagtanim ako ng gulay, nakita nila, nagawa ako ng mga seedling. Yun ang pinamigay ko, mga seedling. Kasi pag seeds ang binigay mo, minsan nakakalimutan na lang itanim or ang preparation, hassle pa. So that all started of parang diversify ko na integrated na siya. So we have now the tilapia, we have the vegetables. Then nag-apply uli ako ng isa ka program, which the Inspire program, the piggery. Nakuha namin yung Inspire program. So we have also now the piggery. This small program namin within our barangay happens na nag-usap kami ng the new mayor, the new elected mayor, and very important kasi yung vision ng mayor na he wanted to focus on the agriculture. So nag-partner kami actually through MOA. Whatever this idea, the programs you have, very important ang role ng LGU, the support from the local government. Mas madali ang implementation. The future plan now is we make the co-op as the consolidator of the marketing. Whatever San Miguel Farmers has, our vision is to consolidate everything, then Mapamungko will create a central marketing.
you.